Hello, welcome to this training about scheduling Taleo Connect client processes in Windows. What we'll learn today is where to find the application to run, setting up the application in the task scheduler, scheduling the application, and manually running the application. All right, let's begin. So first, where to find the application to run. All right. If this application was provided by Acuity, it'll typically reside in a touchpoints folder. We would recommend you put it on a large drive, not your standard boot drive. And in this case, we put it on drive D. You go into the touchpoints folder, then you navigate to the bin folder, then the Windows folder, and inside that you'll see different batch files. Environment.bat is one that you edit for configuration, so we're not going to run that one. For this demonstration, we will utilize the offer export.bat file. This is what we will run. So now we need to find the task scheduler to add it to. And to do that, you go to the start menu, start typing the task, and then click on the task manager or task scheduler that pops up. All right, and in here, you'll see on the left this navigation bar, and you'll want to click on this task scheduler library and not be clicked on the local. And here you'll see any tasks that are assigned that are run by your account on this server, and we'll want to add a new task. So in this case, we're going to create the task by clicking over here on create task. You can call this whatever you want. We'll call this one, since it's DE onboarding export. We'll see. Or no, sorry, let's just offer export. All right, you could add a description if you want. Just pick their permissions based on your security from your company and how they would like to do it. For now, I'm just going to have it run only when the user is logged in, and that would be for this user, D. Michael. That's me. All right. For triggers, this is specifying if you want to run it daily. You run a trigger, and you set up on the schedule. You click daily, say every 1 day. You could adjust any of these. Let's see, for now, for setting it up, let's disable, let's not enable it. We can set what time we want it to start at each day. So let's say 6 a.m. So let's type all this in. All right, so we've set up a trigger that runs daily at every 6 a.m. And then the action, this is where we specify the actual program that we're running. We can come down here, copy this, click on here and copy this folder. And I would suggest putting it in there. Then the program script, we can use that folder. We also paste that there, hit enter, then we can select offer export, navigate however you'd like. There's no arguments required for this batch file. You will be starting a program. That should be it for the action. So we've told it to run it based on this trigger, which is every day at 6 a.m. You can adjust any of these conditions if you would like. Allow it to run on demand. We'll let you run it manually. And review these options as you wish. So now we've created the task. Clicking OK, you can see that it's ready and it runs at 6 a.m. every day, and it's next scheduled to run tomorrow at 6 a.m. It has been scheduled now, so we've learned how to set up the task and how to schedule it. So now, if you'd like to manually run it, you could come into the task scheduler here. Just right click on this and then hit run. And then it would run manually. Or you could come over, you could click on it here and then come over here and hit run as well. Let's see, I thought we had said to disable it. Yes, disable treatment was disabled. Let's re-enable it. All right, so now it will really run every day at 6 a.m. But you can also do that here. You can disable it. Then it's a little bit easier to see that it was disabled. So that is it for running the task scheduler or scheduling a task using task scheduler on Windows. There's also when it runs, since you're running it from this folder, and it's going to create the data in all of these folders, just as discussed in the previous training. That is it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.